So I just realized I have 57 coins and my phone's at 57%. So if you guys see this new avatar, so if you guys, oh wait, okay, we need to turn these trades off. Oh god, this dude, oh my god. What, the clock for the clock, it's worth it. Wait, is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's not worth it. Thanks for declining, buddy. Thank you. Well, look at my new outfit. Look at my new outfit. You with more. Oh. And my username is called IceJ. Right there. J. So if you guys never see this face, VuxVux uses the face. And this is how our and our name is IceJ. So we can put trades back on. I don't know why I'm in the trading plaza. Let's just stay here for a little bit. Okay, look at the JD. Okay, whatever. Oh, he has a shield cameraman. He's not that bad, about 5,000 damage. If y'all just accepted it, I'm gonna be so happy. Don't mind if I do that. Come on, bro, it's a legendary. Okay, I knew he was just declining. I just knew he was gonna decline. Well, I thought we traded this guy, didn't we? Oh, he has a good. Oh, look what I have. Oh, look what I have. Look at what I have. Is he trying to flex? Oh yeah, I'm sorry, bro. I had to decline. Sorry for that. Sorry for flexing too. But look for these people. Wait, it's like something like 1K 1K gems. Oh god, I'm so poor. I have 50 gems, so I can buy something low. But like, what can I buy? I can't buy the large bunny man, but nah. You have like 2 of those. But I wish these sister came in like at least like 2, like 10 gems. Bro, I'm so poor. I'm literally going down. Oh, we can't buy this. We can't buy this Titan speaker, man. Oh, should we buy this? Wait, what? Guys, we have a new update now. The large bunny man is now this guy. Oh wait, look at this guy. Leprechaun cameraman, I guess. But let's keep looking. Should we buy this? Should we? Nah, I think I shouldn't. I don't speak Portuguese. I can speak English. I don't speak Portuguese though. Bow. I can speak English. I'm gonna say it about. I bet so much people are like spam. Atto, bro. Oh, ad. Oh, I don't speak Portuguese. I can't speak that. Psych, I'm not gonna do that trade. Okay, so there's nothing here. I'm gonna look right this for my friend. Or see my random friend, because I just friend random people, but no, I know Jamar and Liam. And some other people. So I don't know if he knows who am I. He's gonna be like, who are you? Oh, yikes. So we gotta wait until he accepts it. Or should we just go in the lobby? Oh, he's gonna decline in my face like that. Whoa, okay, I think I should unfriend him. No, I'm not capping. I'm not even capping. Oh, wait, did that guy just teleport? Whatever, let's get in the match in 3. Let's get in the lobby in 3, 2, 1. I just like my avatar. Get it? Avatar. I don't know if you guys get it. Just keep looking. Oh, it's gonna be exclusive. So yeah, 4 exclusive. One of them are not that good. And then how many myth? Is that just 2? But okay, basic. Bro, okay, no. I can't be seeing this. Oh, 93 units. When did I have that much? Okay. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 17. I have 17, let me see, am I right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, I don't remember what I said. Did I say 17? Actually, trading my whole gems. Oh. I don't know what this video about, so I'm gonna make it. Actually, I think I do know what this video about. It's about for you guys to hit that like button. Well, yeah, that's all I can do. Joe Kion. Joe. Okay, whatever. Chippy, waka, doopy, loopy. I just wanna boopy, doopy, doo. Yeah. Well, guys, I'm in tire 721. I mean, I'm actually, yeah. 2021. Can you do some? Okay, if we get a large spunny man, I'll be happy. Okay, how do we have 94? Actually, should we keep this? Or should we just open it? If we just get a large bunny man. And that wasn't worth it. Wait, how did I get a legendary? I just saw. Am I lucky? Should we just get started on this video? Beep. Welcome back with another video. Yeah, I restarted it because that was just a fake. So look, so I just realized this. Okay, whatever. We're gonna be using these units on Endless or the Toilet Fortress. So why not we play this by ourselves and let's equip our best. Okay, so our best, but then take this out, add the Santa in, and then should we like bring a starter? Bro, I'm happy I have 3. Oh god, I don't even care. Let's get it back to 3, 2, 1. Okay, how long is this video? Like 5 minutes? Stop the gap. Okay, like 10 minutes. No, like 6 minutes. Oh, wait, what? Sonic David. Bro, who's at my door? Okay, whatever. Okay, place the Santa's like. I'm placing this in. Actually, a waste of moolah. They're gonna place it in. Alright. Why I can't place? Okay, can I place it this side? No, it's not why I placed them. No. I don't even care. But then I'm gonna be the camera temple. Wait, I thought that was called something else, like I thought it was like called like the like what's it called, like the what's it called, like the I just realized I can't place any units, so we gotta place a lot of Santas. Sorry, but we had to take the hits. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. If they only take like 5 damage, or probably like 10 damage, let's check. 5 or 10. Oh, yeah, okay. We can't just stop looking at them like me, like POV as me. Hold on. Wait, okay. POV me. Wait, hold on, let's try it again. Okay, I don't really know. Bunny no needs to be popular. Guys, the Santas are coming. I mean, the toilets, not the Santa. I can't believe Talene don't add them like the Skibidi toilets. They actually add them like the toilet. Like a toilet that you sit on, not like the Skibidi toilet. Is it just me or these toilets are smaller? I mean, like slower. Please, can't even fit the range and he cannot. They just went faster. Oh, because these are small toilets. Whoa, 2 seconds. It's kind of scary. He just like splashed it. Whoa, don't lag, please. No. No. Oh, okay, chill out, chill. Okay, chill. Okay, we're gonna die. Only if the healer just came from the sky. No. Okay, I'm not getting scared. Should I place another one? Or should I place, actually? Whoa, wait, okay, we got it. Boom. Thanks, Leprechaun. Thank you. Now we don't have to get any hit toilets. We can just chill. Oh, can we chill? I don't know. I think so. I'm gonna place them. Wait, does the toilet just one of? How don't I have enough? Oh. Boom. Upgrade. Oh, geez, you want to say it 2 times. Talanthric, look at my face. Rate my avatar 1 to 10. Please don't pick 1 or 0. Pick 1. If you pick 20,000, I'll give you a big fat thumbs up, and I'll comment yours, and I'll subscribe to you, even though you don't have a YouTube. So please like and subscribe. Rate my outfit and like and subscribe, and I'll like to yours. 14,323. Yeah, we could take him down. I think we could take him down because this leprechaun is piercing things. Upgrade. So it's up upgrading. I didn't go to sleep, guys. I'm just gonna go to sleep real quick. Who has better range? Oh, wait, what? Oh, 55 and 40 range. Hey, ow. Boom, now he's doing so much damage. Upgrade, I didn't go to sleep. Spot, feels good. And I have the TT endless mode. I have the TTD, like the sound. Bro, I could just go to sleep. The music. It's blasting my ear. Okay, let's just wake up and just go under the blanket. Whoa. No, I don't mean by that. I mean like, yeah. Whoa. Hey, yo, what the? I can't stop looking at my avatar. Look how I jump. Look how I run. I got a ton of new upgrades by my talented buddy. You'll totally never leave me. That's why I have him. Every time, like when I change, I have him every time. No, changing the Roblox games. Every time. Literally every time. I literally, have him on my shoulder. Like when I turn to like, well, not every time. I already don't know if every time, but I think every time. Just Like, I never see him off. Or I thought you very fast. Oh, you guys didn't see nothing. Or, or. You guys can look at that. Gotta go look fast. Okay, fine. You guys already know it. I don't know. You guys know it. Does it upgrade this? Wait, actually, you guys should be asking, why am I selling this guy? Because of this. Placing with a good place for the healer. Because you can hit over here, there, and down here. Just skip away. Or you should hit more. Wait, why am I keep saying she? It's a he. It just looks like a she. Look at it. And I just realized all of the new well, I didn't realize it. Just like realized it like yesterday, or like less than yesterday. They're like there's yeah, I don't know. Come on, bro. You used to one shot them. Now you 5 1 shot them. No. Look at this dude. Okay. Wait, what? How did I do that? However I did that, it's crazy. Come on, last upgrade. I really don't know what to do right now. It's kind of boring. Wait, what? When is more till it's coming? Achoo! Oh, yeah, God, that wasn't a fake sneeze. No, I'm not lying. It's not a fake sneeze. Stop the cap on. It was a fake sneeze. Well, I haven't placed my clock because we're too strong. Okay, one more thing. Okay, let's just zoom in. So when we zoom in, it's gone. All of it is gone. Let me show you something. Boom. See, look. That's how you do it. You can place 2 units. Place this and this. And that's okay, I want to get up there so bad. So let's try to get up there. Let's go. No. No. Whoa, something's a little fishy here. I was just trying to look how to get up there. Do the parkour. Just climb up. I can't climb up. Oh yeah, by the way, I found this. Okay, chill. Yeah. Jesus. I just like testing their head. Guess what? It's too easy. So just auto skip. It's too easy. And I'm kind of getting bored. So just quick this up. want some moolah? Moolah. Okay, look, the Santa TV is talking, and I'll say what he said. Hello, I'm Santa TV and want some moolah? I really don't know what to do. Okay, stop looking over there. Why am I looking over there too much? Okay, just stop looking. Oh, look at my. Oh, ew. Okay. Okay. Upgrade these. Boom, tons of damage. Tons of upgrade. So we're actually doing a heck that's good. I don't know why there's whoa. Whoa, am I lagging over here? Whoa. Am I lagging over here too? Whoa, these people moonwalking? What? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna need to sneeze, guys. So I skipped on accident. We actually got this. Bro, I thought we could have got this, but we actually got this. Can we beat wave 40? I don't know if we can. If I think we can't, let's keep upgrading to win wave 40, then wave 50, then wave 100, then wave 10,000. Is 10,000 even a wave? Well, I know like a number, but is it like on the way or is it like towards the end? I don't really know. But then, bro, we already have our clock taken to level 5. I'm gonna upgrade them. We're beating this. And we still have those toilets. The large heart toilet. That's crazy. They been should delete that. Boom. Okay, both of them need the last upgrades, and they're both at the same level. I forgot about my Santas. Okay, I'm kind of lagging here, guys. Oh, I don't even know I can max them. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm kind of dumb. But we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that, okay? Okay, guys, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about boom. No. Stop the cap. Whoa. Easy. Whoa. It's kind of something a little fishy here. Whoa. Yeah, we can, these loads are easy. I don't know about that. Easy. I don't know about that. No, yes. Whoa. Hey, whoa. Hey, yo. Nah. I'm just chipping. How's bro not dead? Easy for us. 538. Come on, clock tie-in. Come on. Take like 3,000 damage. Oh! 3 bosses to beat it. Made to have 295 coins. And we made it to wave 34, but that's kind of strange. I made it to wave 39 versus 34. If we just skipped, we can make it too. Well, I don't know what to say for the end of the video, but I do have one thing to say. Is to have a good day. Please like, subscribe. Spin wave cost 100. But I'm pouring at 50. Well then, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe again. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, was that just say? Oh, because I only declines or doesn't accept it. We could end the video. So what else should I do? 22. I just should I buy one? No, of course. Well, these uncommons are not that bad. They're like the best uncommon. Come on. Guys, we're on the trade. Should I just end the video? Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe. And you probably can get some fries. And remember to rate my outfit. I already tried on it. Changing my name to Ice J. So like it. Wait, it's coming. It's coming. What is it? Okay, I don't care. He declined. Let's say he left the game. Oh, let's try up. Large firework. Okay, it's for 40. He's so rare. Yeah, I got him. Cause look, I got him for free. It's right there. He's right. Where is he? Where is he? What? 1,900 gems. No, I won't do that. Someday if I have good units. Peace. Like and sub.